Hello everyone, let's continue with the chapter 1 of unit 1, levels of organization in the human body from the course systems of the human body and their functions. So see, if we see the level of organization in multicellular organisms like humans, it would be like cells, okay. I am just trying to place them from least complex to most complex. So cells being the least complex and organism being the most complex. Cells, then tissues, organs, organ systems, okay, and then organism. An organism has got altogether 11 organ systems which work in synchronization with one another to maintain homeostasis, to keep us alive. Now see, why, why we cannot exist as a cell, why we just can't have cells, why it has to be organized into different levels of organization. That's the question, right? See, take for as an example cells. It's not possible for the single blood cell to transport oxygen to the entire body. Our body is very big and very complex, right? So cells of, say, all the blood cells, they sum up together to form tissues, right? Now tissues, okay. Now it's not possible for the tissues to, do a very complex job. So tissues of different kind, they sum up together for a common cause. Okay, for a common function. For example, heart is an organ. It is made up of different types of tissue, like blood tissue would be there, nerve tissue would be there, connective tissue would be there, and muscle tissue would be there. Now see, it's not, if we see circulatory system, it's made up of heart, which is the primary circulatory organ, okay, and of course arteries, veins, capillaries, right? So it's not possible for the single organ to do the job efficiently, right? Okay, so that's why many organs, they sum up together to form organ systems, right? And we have different organ systems in the body, as I quoted out earlier, right? Circulatory system just being one example, right? So see, or if we see the organs like stomach, okay, small intestine, large intestine, all of them are the part of organ system, which is digestive system. And what is their role? Their role is to digest food. If we see the role of circulatory system, its role is to transport oxygen to the different cells of the body, right? So every organ system, they have their own role to play. They do it efficiently and they work in synchronization with one another, okay? There is a connection and they work by themselves efficiently as well. So this is the levels of organization in the human body from most complex to least complex. Organism, the entire body. Organ systems, altogether 11 organ system. If every organ system will have many organs, which makes it easy, for that organ system to do their job efficiently. Okay. Then we have tissues, and the least complex being cells. Okay. Now, so if you see this diagram, you can see this is a tissue, smooth muscle tissue. And this is making urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is the part of the organ system with the name excretory system. It filters the blood. Once nutrients are squeezed from the food, the left out thing is the waste. And it should be expelled out of the body. Otherwise, we are going to die. Body won't be able to maintain homeostasis. It will be poisonous for the body to retain that, right? So this is the organ system. If you see it here, this is the organ system. Just one organ system. Altogether, we have 11. Excretory system. Kidney is the primary excretory organ, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra, and also skin, that is the secondary excretory organ. Fine. And lungs, they also have role to play in excretion, but it's the secondary excretory organ, kidney being the primary excretory organ. So that's it. We'll continue with the same in our upcoming sessions. So thank you so much.